Clout Chaser. Let's begin.
I'm Imogen. I'm actually a taxi driver and I'm a singer. I'm here for love.
Really?
Here for love, baby. Okay, my perfect man.
Dude, that taxi
Tall,
driver.
sexy, funny, tons of
Oh,
charisma.
really?
That's it. I don't want much more.
That's very
interesting.
interesting.
Be nice to me and be honest. Double standards I hate are men just seem to have so much more free range to be able to do what they want. I know that times have changed, but it's still quite stressful. If I'm in a relationship, I would...
Wait. You're in a first world country, England, where the Queen is the most powerful woman ever. And it's stressful in England with all the privilege that women have, first world country. Man, it's so interesting how these women from these countries complain. It's so interesting. Wow. Complain about patriarchy and all this nonsense, man.
Because he wants to be with me, not just because I'm second on the list or something. You know,
And by the way,
plenty of
double
time
standards
to be
exist,
doing something else. If you want to be with me,
so
then you want to be with me.
it's not gonna go anywhere.
Tradition is tradition. I will never leave my house without money to pay for myself. I will always offer to split the bill. Don't get me wrong, it's nice if they say I'll pay, but I'm always prepared. You have to be prepared. So I would feel
That's a
embarrassed
tradition.
that I didn't ask first to split the bill if they did, because I would never want somebody to think that I'm just out here for a free meal, which is not the case.
Hey, it's Tony
Then
Robbins.
don't go on random dates, guys.
Online business from
Man,
home,
this episode, I
and
feel
you
like
really could be up and
this
running
girl
in a
is
few
gonna
weeks with some
say
simple
some
steps.
crazy
Not
ass
some
shit. Man.
magical
Like, seriously, I'm gonna prepare for it. I'm gonna prepare for any crazy shit she's gonna say.
Yo, what?
But that one thing though with this girl from the first world, oh, she's tall. These first world countries always talking about, oh, patriarchy.
I don't know.
And they
it's a
live in the
potion
most
still. It's a
privileged,
potion.
like a potion.
But don't worry, we didn't do no
privileged
alcohol.
side you give her.
Of course you
Compared
are.
to third world
Of course you are. It's
countries,
good, it's good.
How are
Wow,
you?
They
I'm good. You're like
complain
one
so
full glass of
much.
water. My God.
Am I?
Yeah.
Is your
Easy.
glass half full or half empty?
Ooh, I like that. I don't even know what that means, but
Have you never heard that
I've never
before?
heard that in my life. What does that mean?
I don't believe that you've never heard it.
Never.
So basically, do you look at things half full or half empty? If I have a cup and it's got half, and it's half full, is it half full or is it half empty?
See, I like that. See, the way you're talking right now, I think you got crystals in there, innit? You believe in energy in that.
Really? Do you
Oh,
really?
you don't?
No, I do. How do you know that?
see. Oh, so you got to cheers you to that.
Okay,
Let's
no,
go.
I'm scared though.
No, I ain't got to drink it. We just
Do
got
I
to
need
cheers.
to? Okay.
You can just cheers to it. You get me?
Okay.
Done
Oh
that.
my god, she's
Don't
scared. She's like, what?
Okay.
This is
think you drink
shady.
that, bruv. Don't
Yes.
be living mad, you lot. You
Is
get
it
me?
legal?
Is it legal, bruv?
I'm
Yeah,
not
she
gonna
can.
start seeing things with the crystals.
Is it nice? Is it good?
It's quite nice. Yeah. It's
Big
like
man
nice.
thing.
I think she's the only person who actually drink it.
So tell me, what am I doing here?
So you need, what this is about, yeah? This is about money and clout
Okay.
versus love. So are you here for money and clout or are you here for love?
I'm here for you, babe.
I like that.
Of course.
I like that. You see, you're good.
Yeah, I've driven for you.
You're driven. How far you come from?
About an hour and 20 minutes.
Whereabouts you from?
Kent.
Kent.
Have you
Ooh.
been there?
Now, is there black people up there?
Yeah, everybody always says this to me.
Yeah,
Why?
I want to know, innit? Because I
Yeah.
like to know where there's black people
Okay,
at.
so there are 3 universities, and there's like loads of black people, because there's people that come from different areas. Loads of people from London live there.
See, I like to know that. I like to know where black people can go and that. Yeah, so you got to let me know what you want. What are you looking for? So what are you looking for?
I'm looking for love. I'm looking for you to be.
See, I
So
like that. You
Kent,
got
I'm gonna actually
the
look
vibe
up
I'm
a
getting
map
right now is
on
you like
England
black
to see
guys.
where
Not
Kent
gonna lie.
actually
Why are
is.
you throwing out the crystal thing, the black guy thing?
I'm just saying, it kind of seems like you like the BBC.
Do
I
you?
feel
Oh
like
my god. You're quite good at reading people.
I feel like I'm very good at reading people.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Tell me about me.
You're giving me a lot right now.
Yeah.
You get me? It's giving a lot right now. That's what the gal say. It's
I feel
giving.
like I need to be wearing your glasses and I can just lower them and look you in the eye.
No, I can't do that because then you get some dark souls coming out.
Oh my god. Everybody want to see the eyes. What's going
I'm trying
on?
to say. So let me ask you, how tall are you?
5'11".
5'11". Oh wow, that's
But I'm
that's
wearing
beautiful.
heels, so.
Jeez, that's a beautiful thing.
Can I ask you something?
Go on,
Do
you-
you like tall women?
Of course I love all women.
So you don't mind if a woman's taller than you?
No, that might make it even better. I feel like I'm climbing a
Okay, thank
tree.
you. No, I'm climbing
Ah,
a
this
tree.
nigga-
I'm climbing a tree.
This
I
nigga
love
is
that. I love that.
crazy.
You see, the thing is, yeah, I like that because you don't mind the height difference. You don't mind that.
No, I don't mind.
See, I like that.
I've met guys though that do really mind, and you get some really insecure guys that are short. I don't care if you're.
What's the
like,
shortest guy you've ever dated?
Maybe like 5'7", I think.
So he was right
That's
near
quite
the
short,
pussy in
isn't
that.
it?
That's mad. He was right near that.
Titty
That's
height.
mad. Titty height. So do you feel like he was your child?
No, because he's a man.
Oh,
Yeah.
man. Did he? So how? When you say they felt insecure, what do you mean?
Well, not him, for example, but I do get some guys that say, I don't want to, like you're too tall. And I'm thinking, okay, cool, that's fine.
See that big? We don't do discrimination, bro. Shout out to the communities out there, bro. We don't do that. Big man thing.
I think it's nice to have a sexy woman in your arm. Supermodel thing.
I love that. See, you see right there with me. So I'm
So
right.
you don't mind? 'cause
Supermodel
you're-
thing.
Of
This
course
guy
I
is
don't
a
mind. Like I said, it's a
freaking.
beautiful thing. He's just got more leg to play with. That's a good thing.
Okay, I like
That's what I'm saying. It's a
That's
beautiful
fine.
thing.
That's one thing off my list.
I know. See, let me ask you this. So when was your last relationship?
About a year ago.
Where's he from? Where's he from? Where's he from? You black dude?
I thought you were going to take your glasses
No,
off.
no, no,
then.
no,
I
just
was
go-
thinking,
no,
how
no.
serious is this?
No, I'm thinking, is he black? Like,
They're
is he
not-
black?
they're not
Like, we
black.
got no, no, no.
Okay,
it's
cool.
not, no, it's
He's from London.
not. So
Yeah.
that's not. That's not a race though, bruv. Is he
Oh,
a
where
black
is he
brother?
from?
Yeah, is he a black brother? Where's he from?
Yeah, well, he was black. But I don't
What
think-
country? Where's he from? Is Jamaican? He's Jamaican.
What? No, he wasn't Jamaican.
Is he a yardie man?
No.
You like the yardie man? Or the cane man?
Well, no, I don't mind. Like, for me, it's not like I don't have a set type. I just think if you look nice, then you look nice.
I like that. So right now we're looking at each other. You're very beautiful. What's the
Well, I
first
love
thing you
big
like
up
from me? What
Jamaica,
you
bro.
like?
Like,
What
dude,
about you?
come on,
Yeah,
bro.
what do you like about
I
it?
was Trinidad, I one of
your,
those
like,
countries.
Your demeanor, your aura, is demeanor the right word?
Demeanor, yeah, that's
That
definitely
is,
the right
isn't
word.
it? I'm just trying to make sure it fits in the sentence correctly.
I
I
like
just
that.
think you look good. You look nice.
See, I like that. That's a
You look
nice
well put
compliment.
together. I like a guy that knows what he does. You look
Yes.
like you know what you like.
I drink a lot of water.
Man,
cream
those
my
these
skin.
girls
That's what you
actually-
gotta do, cream your skin.
Water.
You gotta drink a lot of
Do you know
water.
what's funny? That I actually took a sip of this because I only.
You're
actually
not,
drink
you're not hearing
water.
voices in that, are you?
What?
So it's alright. You're not hearing voices in that now. Oh, good. Gotta be
No,
careful.
I don't drink water. I don't drink like alcohol unless you give me a special occasion.
So let me ask you this,
I like
yeah.
to look after myself.
So you don't drink, but I still gotta ask this though. What's the maddest thing you've done on a night out?
Do you know what?
Mm-hmm.
I have absolutely no idea.
You just don't remember.
No, I don't know.
You just woke up in the
No,
yard.
I don't,
Like,
I'm not that crazy though. When it comes to nights out and stuff, if other people are going to be around,
Oh, really?
you can see what
Dude,
up
I'm
to,
surprised she
so-
said she's a taxi. I'm still thinking about the taxi driver situation. I don't know if
It's
she's
funny,
that
they asked
Uber
me here to
driver or
come
what, but
downstairs and come and sell myself to you, and I
It's
was
very
just
interesting.
in a legal way.
of course.
I'm just
you're
based
not
on
trying to
how
do
she
no
looks.
transporting thing, bro. You get me? We're not trying
most
to do
girls
that,
would
bruv.
want to
Don't
be
take
So,
my
no,
taken.
money.
no,
That's why I'm really
We're not
like,
trying to end up in a lorry, man, on the way to check us a Douglas
Very
stand, bruv. We're
interesting.
not doing that. Do you know what I mean? We can't be doing that.
But she should have singer.
Shout out to them people, bruv. Big man
I've
thing.
got really cold hands. Come, see?
Man thing, why is your hand so cold?
Because I have a warm heart.
Oh, that's not. I got a cold heart, bro.
Have
They
you?
can work out.
Okay, that's fine. See, we can.
That's a beautiful thing.
Isn't it? It's such a beautiful thing.
So are you a jealous person?
No.
Because I don't really like jealous girl. I don't want nobody stalking me and that, bruv. You get me?
You don't want me to be looking up your.
Nah,
This, this.
that's a bit frightening. You get me? Then I'm gonna have to immigrate to another place.
Where are you gonna emigrate to?
I don't know, bruv. Anywhere that's cool with black people, bruv. Oh shit! I just dropped a fork.
Because I've walked in, I've made you all.
But yeah, you've got me rattled right now. Can't lie. I love your confidence.
Discombobulated.
I love your confidence. It's
Do you?
beautiful. Yeah, I
Okay,
love
I'm
your
glad-
confidence.
I'm glad you do.
Would you say guys are intimidated by you?
Do you know
Wait,
what people
I've-
always say to me on a night out? I bet.
Cause they keep mentioning this like everywhere the coolest black people. Let's be real, bro. A lot of places are cool as black people. It's just that as long as you don't go there to do crazy shit, bro. That's all. Don't go there to do some crazy ish and you'll be good. Just like in Asia or some Middle Eastern country. Just don't do crazy shit. That's all.
You get approached all the time, and I don't, and I think it's because I intimidate guys.
You don't get approached.
Not really. Not unless they're.
Because
really
let's
cool.
be
And
real,
then, like,
lots of
yeah, and
people
then they
around the
go
world
to,
would
like,
probably
half a
not
cup
want to
and
be
sit there.
around
But
too
other
much
than
of
that-
us.
You gotta start going to
Because
some yardie
they
raves.
see
or
how
go
we
down bricks
live,
and
That's
like,
street.
where it happened last
or we do
time.
Oh,
kill each
wow.
other
In
and
a yardie
all
rave.
those madness.
So you like the yardie
They're
rave?
like, oh, I want to stay far from these people.
Man,
I'm just
there's
being
bad
honest,
man
bro.
up in there. Man, thing, that's a
But
beautiful
no,
thing.
I always try to take myself out of my
Would you
own
approach me?
skin and
I'll
see
definitely
how other
approach you. I got a
people
lot of confidence.
see other
I just go
No, I
in.
see that.
situations.
But
You get me?
if like we're on the street and I see you and you see me looking at you, because I will look at you, I wouldn't be afraid to come
Nah.
up to you.
I feel like I don't never want to be a pest. You get me? Man, don't want to end up on a register, bruv. That's mad. I don't want to be walking up to random gal moving mad. I don't like that.
We don't like
You get
it.
me? I like making sure that everything's cool. I like to feel the signs and read the signs and know you like me, I like you, and then it's cool.
But how would you know that unless you come and talk to me?
Not
You
on
have
the
to be a
road.
bit-
It
Yeah.
has to be in a nice little environment.
That's what I mean. So you wouldn't see me on the road and then come and chat to me.
Nah, but where would I see you though? Where would I see you if I was to see you on
I
the road?
don't know where you're gonna see me. Just driving along.
You tell
That's
me
the
where you're
next
at,
thing.
where you're gonna be at.
Where do you want me to be?
Oh wow, I like that. You're
Yeah.
good. You're dangerous. So look, speaking of dangerous, though, I'm gonna ask you this question. I do a mad thing, licking off man's head top, wiped off his whole bloodline. He's no longer on this earth. And his
Oh
friends
my
come,
god, this guy was
take me away.
killing
and
questions,
say, yo,
bro.
bro, you're gonna be doing 20 years, bruv. The man is in there, bruv. They're hungry. They want to take your body. Yeah? It's mad I'm a handsome guy, bruv. You get me? I got good skin, bruv. Them men will try and have their way, bruv. It's a mad thing in there. Yeah, so then I got to do 20 years. Would you hold it down for the 20 years?
Where are we in the state of our relationship?
Been dating for 1 year.
Okay, dating for 1 year. Have you told me that you love me?
Yeah.
Oh my God. She's gonna cap, man. She's gonna cap. She's gonna lie, bro. There's no fucking way, bro. 1 year? That's
So then what you
the
do?
way
You waiting?
do it. 1 year
Well,
now
wait,
is
if you
so
love me
short.
and I love
1
you,
year
I'm gonna
seem like
wait.
2
If
months
it's gonna
now.
work, if
Wait, time
I
is moving
feel
fast.
like it's the right situation to be in,
You're going to have grey pubes by then, though. Have you thought about that?
I won't have grey pubes.
You're
It's
going to
fine.
die.
Laser thing is
Ooh,
fine.
laser that off.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
But let me ask you this, though,
Mm.
yeah? In that 20 years, there's a lot of changes. Are you going to be faithful during that time?
Right, okay, so I would.
I
if
doubt
it's the
it,
right
I doubt it.
situation, And
Mhm.
I wouldn't be in a relationship with somebody for a year if I didn't want to be with them forever. Because I don't really like to waste time. I can't be bothered with this dating for a long time.
Because
Dude, you know what? With
because
these,
you see, the thing is,
that-
people say that,
I
but
can't
then
pronounce
you
the
go
word.
inside
With these
and then move
questions,
on. It's a 3 to 5 business days and on another Willy. Amazon Prime thing.
That's
going on
true.
Willy. That's one night. Evening delivery Willy.
We'll have to see how we go then. But just maybe just how about don't
I'm
mix
like,
it up
oh,
and go
Castile
through
actually
it.
smart. I
Well,
know
what
what's
if I
going
did it
on.
for
Because
you?
if you're a guy that
You
smash it
need
and
to
that,
do it for me, 'cause I won't put you in
this
a situation where you
situation,
need to do it for me.
I gotta
you
choose
won't
you
really
for that. See, I love that.
believe.
You know
He's
why? I'm putting
listening,
a man
but
in danger.
in his mind,
I
he's
love
like,
that.
let's
You
be
get me?
real.
Man, then watch out for
She's
them
probably
girls,
gonna smash the
big
next
thing.
day
Be
or
careful
2 days
out there.
after.
They really are real, aren't they?
I'm telling you, you definitely have to be careful. So let me ask you something.
There's no way
Are
I've
you a
known
freaky
somebody for a
person, though?
year and then
Well, I
it
feel
must be
like
crazy.
this is a
20
discussion
years?
that
Mad?
I really shouldn't have where, you know, there are other people around. I think that you would need to find out for yourself.
I like that, but
Mhm.
without getting too deep into it,
Mhm.
are you a pleaser or you like to receive? What do you like?
I'm
What?
definitely a pleaser. I'm gonna make sure that my man's happy.
So you're dominant.
There's a difference, isn't there? Knowing that you're pleasing your man and being dominant or submissive. I like a bit of, you know, I like a man who knows what he's doing.
Castile like,
He can know that I know what I'm doing.
I like that.
Yeah.
So you ever been with a guy that's inexperienced? He don't know what he's doing. He's like a DJ. He's like, you don't know the next mix. Like, you don't know what he's doing. He nipples. He don't know what's going on. You ever
No.
been with a guy like that?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Never.
Like, I just feel like if I'm gonna be with somebody like that, it's because we've got a connection. So if you have a connection with somebody, then you're already gonna be amalgamating nicely. Heating
I like
things
that,
up,
I like that.
cooking
Amalgamating,
something.
wow.
You've been talking to a guy for a long time.
I should have amalgamated.
Things are good.
They're like
He likes his
merging.
aura. He likes your aura.
Mhm.
You're about to sleep together. Pulls out his willy. It's 3 inches, bruv.
What, hard or soft?
Hard. That's his best.
Okay,
That's
his
him.
best.
That's when the man's ready, bruv.
Yeah.
His soldiers is at attention. Like, his shit is ready.
Right, show me how big is 3 inches.
I don't know, like that.
My
That's
God.
how small his willy is.
Do they do
That's
condoms?
actually pretty
I don't know,
short.
bruv. It's literally just it's like
I
a little
hope that you wouldn't
doorknob.
know, to be fair.
I definitely don't know about that. That's not my life. I don't know about shout out to them small willy men out there, bruv. Big men too. I don't know about that life.
Like, you've been with a girl, okay, it was good, and then you see her again, and then you're like, shit, where did that come from?
To be fair, I've had that once,
Yeah.
and that's only because like her pussy smelled like a bag of rats, bruv.
So why
I
did
smelled
you
it.
go back?
Like I smelled it and I nearly got alopecia, bruv. I was like, yo, shit nearly gave me an illness, bruv. I was like, yo, it's a mad thing. I nearly lost my mind.
Terrible.
Literally, I felt my nose hairs, everything was burning off. Her
So-
thing was mad.
Hang on, let me get this straight. So you went out with her the first time, you slept with her, and that was the
No, we was talking all that stuff. Then she came round to the yard.
Mm.
We got down to that. I took the knickers off and I was like, yo.
So why did you go back for round 2, ding ding?
No, I didn't. We never spoke again.
Oh, I thought you meant that was the time that it happened.
No, we never spoke again, boy.
Okay.
I literally.
I was gonna say. what?
Nah, boy, that's
Okay.
Chernobyl, bruv. I could never go there. It's a nuclear
Chernobyl.
zone, bruv. I can't touch
I'm
that.
sure she didn't have that some sort of
Yo.
connection.
Probably did.
Dude, this
bruv.
guy.
I don't know what she was doing with that naan bread.
Where did you find her?
I don't want it. Facebook.
Okay, so that's where you went wrong.
This dude said
Can I ask you a
Chernobyl,
question? Oh, you
nuclear.
What are you looking for? Like,
I'm looking-
in an ideal situation, if you could have anything.
I'm looking for love. I'm looking for a serious thing because I've got to settle down now. I'm on that straight path. I can't. I've done my mad thing and it's time to settle down.
And what are your checklists?
Your body count got to be in check. That's number one.
Okay.
Can't be beating about. Can't beat any of my brethren.
So you're gonna ask then?
Now the truth will come out in time. So like, let's say for
I
example,
like
I
that.
say,
It's true.
let's say you tell me 3, and the next week I ask you it's like 15, bruv. Next time I ask you it starts moving mad. I gotta know. But at
Okay.
the same time, the truth will reveal itself. I wouldn't ask. But the next thing as well, which is very, very important, you can't have smashed none of my brethrens. Because I can't go over to my brethren's yard and he's beat up my girl. That's mad. Then you can cuss me out. You can cuss me out any moment. Make me feel like a waste man. I can't do that.
Okay, so sexually, okay, I understand. What about the rest though? What about the serious stuff?
You gotta be able to hold it down and make it on peace, bruv. Because I ain't giving you fuck all, bruv. Like literally, I treat you out, treat you nice. give you a nice ting, bruv, but when you start asking me for a mad ting, bruv, it's this, that's when we got to cut off the ting, bruv, because man's name is not Halifax, bruv. Man's name is not Lloyd's TSB, bruv. I'm not Santander, bruv. You get me? I can't do that.
Right.
You get me? But I do treat you good. I mean, I treat you nice. We do things together, like I said. But when you start thinking it's a Monzo bank account thing, hell no, bruv. I got to move on and get on with my life, bruv. Give you again, wish you the best.
I would have asked from that from a guy anyway. So.
Nothing.
No. I would like to be offered stuff, if anything. I'm not gonna ask. That's a bit embarrassing.
You ever been flown out?
What do you mean? What?
Flown out. A guy said, "Let me fly you out."
No.
What if a guy from Dubai messaged you and said, "Yo"?
Do I know this guy?
No, let's say it's just a random man. He just messaged you and he said, "Yo, 20 bags in your account by tonight. Just come over. Man just wants to like.
That's a setup straight away. Anyway.
Man just wants to eat some food off you.
No, that's really weird.
Man just wants to have like. Man just wants to have a little kebab off you and that. You get me? Just while you're naked, with 20 man around. Like.
I value my life a lot more.
Don't know. See, that's a beautiful. Some girl don't.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, you're on a lorry and it's mad. Some girls, you're the only girl that do that though.
No, I don't think so.
We just need their Instagrams for research because some of the men them need to know about
I
them.
see it though. I see it online and I wonder, like, obviously you wonder how fake is all of this shit, but I see it and I think, are they alright?
Have you ever been with a broke guy? Would you ever date a broke guy?
I have, yeah. I mean, I've been broke myself with a guy who's broke. Like,
I love that honesty. So you was broke together?
Yeah.
You lot found love in a hopeless place. That's mad.
Shout out to Rihanna.
Big man thing. So wow, you've really done that. How long did that last?
Maybe like 6 months to a year.
6 months. That's quite a long time.
6
How
months.
broke was he though? What was broke? What was his broke?
Like job seekers broke.
Is that like that's the bits, isn't it?
Well, I guess so. I mean, I don't really know how else to describe it,
That's
but
mad.
like in between places and stuff. But
Did he try and hide it from you?
No. He was straight up at
It
the
was real.
beginning. But that's what I appreciate. If you're honest, then I can move forward with it.
So he was honest, like, yo, babes, these people are sanctioning me, bruv. Fuck these people. Like, he was serious like that.
See, why not? Like,
I love
for,
that.
For me, I won't
This
just
dude,
go
man, this
and
dude
find
is something
somebody
else.
online and think you look nice. This is your
They are
lifestyle.
sanctioning me.
I like to meet somebody, have a rapport with them, get to know them as a person, and then if
This
like,
guy seems cool.
Yeah,
though.
of course.
I don't know, man.
I was saying earlier, I don't really date much. I can't be bothered with all of that. I just would rather find somebody nice that I vibe with.
But it's because of what she
It's
said
the right thing
earlier.
to do, then it's the right thing.
Have you ever dated anybody
getting-
famous? Because you look.
God, remember, you
beautiful.
can't really
Must have-
know
He's so sweet.
person just like
Must have you dated
seeing them on
anybody
the
famous,
face
anybody
and just
known,
okay,
any
work
rappers,
with
any
it.
Footballers, any.
Being with them is a totally different.
No.
The way you laugh, that's a yes.
No, it's not. It's
That's
not
a definitely
yes.
yes. You look like you're lying. Go
So
ahead.
you be showing you your gold teeth. Up.
I like that. You like the goatee?
Yeah, I like them.
Don't
Yeah.
know, I like that. So you dated anybody famous though?
Yeah, I have.
How famous are we talking about? Are we talking about like local rapper, mixtapes, 1 or 2 mixtape, or are we talking about like?
We're talking about like I can't go much further because like I don't really want to shout him out.
So they would be known. They're known like that.
Yeah,
That's a mad thing.
Uh-huh.
That's a mad thing.
but it's not really a big deal though. It's just it is what it is. I didn't know who he was when we met.
But then he became.
No, he was already there. I just didn't know who he was.
Oh, you just didn't know him.
Yeah, I didn't know. So I got to know him. Thought he was a nice guy. And then I was like, isn't that you? I saw him on an Instagram story. And I was like, oh, okay. That's
So he
you.
was a big deal. He was a big deal.
Well,
That's good.
it depends like what your lifestyle is, who you follow, what your interests are. Like.
So why did that end?
He was just too busy, and I thought, okay, that's fine. But he was too busy in a way that he was obviously wasn't that into me.
So I was about to say busy in the trap or busy like bookings and that, like.
Busy bookings. Yeah, no, it was cool. Like we would still be on a friendship level. Nothing bad happened. But I feel like if you haven't got time for me, not in a needy way, just in a you need to call me once a month. Come on.
Yeah, well, that's a bit of a commitment though. Once a month.
Do you really think so?
That's
nice
a
to
bit.
meet
Yeah, I
you.
mean that's a bit. But I got to say this.
Go
though.
on.
Let's look at this. Yeah. So basically, let's say I'm struggling. I'm broke. My life's mashed up. Like I'm done out here. Yeah. Like, just people keep on sanctioning my papers. I'm looking for a nice park bench.
Yo,
to sleep
this
on
guy
tonight. That's how
is
mad my
full of
life's about to
speech,
be.
right?
Yeah, we're together. I'm doing everything. Yeah.
Lock yourself in IKEA.
Could literally be a
Put myself on
storyteller.
IKEA.
Yeah, sleep on the beds.
Mad thing. I'm black. They'll say I'm a thief and a homeless man. That's mad. Let's say, for example, that's my life, right? Your favorite rapper comes in. Who's your favorite
Yo,
rapper?
you probably right? You probably
Big
kick him
mad thing. I
out.
love that. Pressure and pain on all digital platforms, bro.
Thief
Big
and a
mad
homeless
thing.
man. That's
Let's say
actually pretty
ain't me.
funny.
Let's say somebody else.
Yeah,
Who's your
go
favorite
on.
rapper?
I like Lil Uzi.
Lil
I like
Uzi.
Gunna. I know you say rapper, but the music that I listen
Yeah,
to.
yeah.
all
Okay,
that
no,
kind
they're
of
rappers.
stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say Uzi, bruv. Lil Uzi, for example, like I'm done out here. Lil Uzi rolls up, got the coloured hair and all that. Got
He's
the
short as well, isn't he?
There you go.
Don't mind. It's
So
fine.
he pulls up. He's got the big boy rolly chains, gold diamonds, jewels, and all that.
Right.
Yeah, pulls up in the big boy whip. Yeah, you see me on the park bench. I'm like, babes, I need to get a newspaper. I'm like, my life's all fucked up. He pulls up and he's like, yo, wagwan, babes. You shouldn't be fucking with that brother over there. He's a waste man. You should come over here and fuck with me. I'm about to fly you out.
Shit.
You're gonna go with him.
I'm already with you in this situation, right?
Yeah, we're together.
Are we together? Then I'd be like, well, no, I'm in a relationship with you.
You really do that.
Yeah, because I'm not being funny, but whether or not you're thinking to yourself that would be nice is a different thing. But I would
Dude,
never
and I
leave
think
you
that
with what a
these
violation,
questions
man.
are
I'd
very
rather just leave
interesting
my
because
boyfriend to be with
I
somebody
wonder
else.
if it's
So
in
even
the
if my life
moment,
gets
what
mad,
would
like,
they
I ain't got no
really
toilet
do?
paper, I got to use a leaf to wipe my ass. That's how
Or
mad
even
that
if she didn't, when
So
would
you're
she
I
gonna-
want to be
have
with you. I'm
consider
with you because I want to be with you. It
that
doesn't
she missed
define
that
you, does
chance
it?
or
Being in that
opportunity?
situation, it's
I
not
like
you
that.
forever. It's not you write your own story. Like you can.
I love
do
that.
what
That's
you wanna
positive
do.
stuff.
It's
So even
true.
if Lil Uzi's trying to fly you to the Maldives, you're gonna stick with me in that park bench. That's beautiful.
I would just say to him, look, if you're offering to do this, then help us out. Come. Why not? Go and do your thing, or just like why you know, I'd probably be annoyed that you'd approach me.
I
To
like
be
that.
fair, yeah.
That's
I'd
a
be
good answer.
flattered. Don't get me wrong, I'd be flattered, but like I'm not right now.
That's a good
You're gonna take the leap
answer,
of faith
but
right now, yeah.
Mm.
And if
Go
I
bungee
put,
jumping.
there you go. I would never do that.
Would I?
Like my credit with the Lord is not that good, bruv.
Someone I
Even
know
she's
went
like,
blind. You know? I'm
Mad
doing
thing.
that. Yeah. Yeah, she jumped in the hot air popped. Crazy. Yeah, don't do it. It's not worth it.
Nah, I'm trying
Nah.
to stay grounded.
Oh,
bruv. Like I said,
really?
my credit with the Lord ain't good. Like literally, my thing
damn,
will
she
snap,
went
bruv, and it's a
blind.
mad thing for me. But I'm saying this.
That's
so let's say
actually
you were to
pretty
take that leap of faith and I was to
Sad. Really?
£1,000 right here for you. £1,000 right there. GBP or whatever the hell it is, yeah. And I pick love, which is me. Pursuing love, which is me. Which would you choose?
Is it genuine?
It's
Is
genuine love.
the
Pursuing
genuine
love,
is
yeah,
there?
pursuing love. Which would you choose? Pursuing love, or would you choose the downers, the money?
I'm gonna pursue love and we can make more than the grand together, can't we? I don't.
You trying shit or you being real?
No, why would I be chatting shit? I do my own thing. I'm doing my own thing. I don't need your money. I'm not trying to be rude.
I
But
love
I've
that.
got my own. I stand on my own 2 feet. I'm an independent person. We do it together.
Would you ever do an OnlyFans?
I wouldn't. I wouldn't do it.
I
Would you be
respect-
with somebody that has?
Nah, bruv.
got one?
Nah,
You're not?
I'm not trying to really see my gal's nanny and that. That's a bit mad. I can't do that.
Would you do one with somebody that did have it and then you got with them and then she stopped?
It depends how many men she's got there mashing up her ting, bruv. Like bare man on there just drilling out the ting. I can't really be in there like
No, but
that.
if it's just online.
I don't know, bruv. I'd have to see her CV of work. Like if I go there and I see and I see you like beating some mad Wesley pipes, Lexington Steel brother, Willie looking like a snake, bruv. It might be a mad thing. That
Wow.
might put me off.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? Depending on how mad it is, you get me? I don't want to have nightmares. I don't want to have PTSD, bruv. You get me? It's real. So I like the fact that you ain't, but shout out to the gal that I do. Get me? So big man ting, I've had a great time with you. It's been amazing. You're beautiful. It's a nice time, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
How have you found? I've had a great date. I
Yeah,
found it to be a
have
good
you?
time. So how do you find it? How have you found the date?
It's been really nice to see you.
Oh, I love
I
that.
feel like we're getting on well with each other.
We are getting on
I just
well.
want to see your eyes. I want
You
to
wanna
see,
see her?
and then I can really tell that.
Man, everybody want to see
We
the
don't get
eyes,
to that,
bro.
Big man
Should I
ting.
put the plate there quickly?
No, we can't be doing them things there. Can't be exposing truths and that through the eyes. It's a mad thing.
No,
Man, this
for
guy,
real.
bro. I don't remember what his eyes look like, but they
I like
really
to-
see
I
him
like to
without
definitely
glasses,
see
bro. That's
I love
crazy.
that. Let's do a little toast to
Yeah,
that.
shall we? With my crazy.
Done now.
What about you? With me?
I like your look. I like the height. You're beautiful. I like the hair. I like the hair. You styled your thing out beautiful.
Okay, thank you. I
Yeah, that's
appreciate it.
dope. I like
That's
that.
kind of
I like
simple,
that.
but it
I've had
actually
a
look
great
nice.
time.
Then.
You get me?
Yeah.
I've just been getting to know you. Like I said, the height thing ain't a problem. Like I said, if it was, man, just go to Turkey, bruv. Break up the kneecaps, 5 inches. Then
I've been seeing about stuff like
There
that.
you go.
All these documentaries.
See what I'm saying? Then I'm Deontay Wilder, bruv. I'm 6'8". So as you know, I'm trying to find the right one. I'm on a serious.
I'm
thing.
gonna
So
actually
I'm
look at
very
those
careful. There's a lot of girl
surgeries
out there,
and see.
They're chasing clout or they're trying to finesse, man.
True.
How do I know you're not trying to do that?
Has our date not shown you that I'm quite a genuine person?
You seem very, very genuine, but it could
Yeah.
be all smoke and mirrors. Is it smoke and mirrors?
Well, I can tell you that it's not, but isn't that like a difficult thing about life that you could be with somebody for a year and then
Yeah, that's
it's
true.
fine and then it's not. You have to take a chance.
That's
with
true,
somebody
man.
And you have to just really
That's
get
what
to know
make
the
the whole dating
I like
thing
that.
crazy.
You're not trying to
Because
take man to the cleaners and that.
well,
you get
some
me?
in some
Yeah,
societies,
yeah.
some
Oh,
would
shit,
date
shit,
different.
that's it,
They're
that's it.
loyal to
And on that
family,
note,
so
Cheers
you
to a
feel
great
more
date.
safer in
Thank
those
you for
societies.
having
But
me.
in the
Anytime, I
West,
had to.
oh my God,
Lovely to see you too.
everybody's
See?
for themselves, so it's
Hey,
kind of
done
You can see me again anyway. Because,
Done
you know,
now.
obviously.
Done now.
Obviously.
Let me say goodbye to you.
Okay. Cool.
Hey, man,
Jim, she's
take it
tall,
easy.
bro.
Mm.
Holy shit.
Safe journey
Dude,
home.
she's
Done now.
tall.
Yeah.
She's actually tall, man. Holy fuck. I mean, Castina is about
Bruv, you see that
5'9",
there, bruv?
5'8".
Them things there, bruv. Them model things, bruv. Man can break that down, bruv.
She's tall,
Break that down to
dude.
size, bruv.
I didn't realize that she was
Me,
that tall. Like,
That's what I mean, bruv.
literally
Big
seeing
man
them
thing.
to each other. She actually,
I'm gonna be.
Oh,
telling you
this
lot
is gonna be
step
thing, and
forward,
you can actually
and I'm gonna be
pick.
eliminating one by